how to buy BTST token. So this token came under the symbol of BTST. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their update about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC, so you will be able to find a post on the REFERRAL account. Click on it. So after that, you will be able to relax to MEXC website to be able to buy this token. So first of all, connect your wallet. So after you connect your wallet, just type here how much you want to buy. As you can see here, you will be able to see the trade button here. So after you click on it, you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BTST token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.